Hey guys, what's going on? We get a special surprise today. Hey Austin, guess what?
What?
Alright, he doesn't even know why he's here right now. I told him to come with me because we just got done swimming in the pool today. Somewhere in the yard, hidden, there's a Ryan's slime blaster toy. And I need you to find it, okay?
Alright.
Alright? Alright, good luck. Now, I can't give you hints where it is. You're going to have to find it all on your own. That's the trick, okay? If you can't find it, then I'm going to have Hayden look and he's going to get it, okay? Or maybe Mom. Maybe I'll give the slime blaster to Mom if you can't find it. What do you think, Mom? You want a slime blaster?
Sure, I'll take it.
Yes. It's a little tricky, too. You might have trouble. Guys, it is super hot today. It was about 95 earlier, so we've been swimming all day.
Nope.
And the water's so nice, it's like 78 to 80 degrees today, around there. Super nice. Nope, not in the pool. Gotta keep looking. Huh.
I saw something move.
You saw... Not in the hammock, huh? Man, this is tough. This is tricky.
Walk around.
What are you smiling at?
I found it.
You what? No way.
I found it. It's in the tree.
Oh, but you can't reach it. I'm sorry. You want a little help?
No.
Oh, you can get it, can't you? Oh, ow.
How?
What? Is that the new slime blaster by Ryan's Toys?
Yeah.
I can't wait to try that thing.
It comes like slime.
Hey, who are you going to blast with it?
Aiden.
Aiden? Oh, I don't know. He looks like he's ready for it. He's got a Nerf gun over there. All right, are we going to open it up and try it out?
Yeah. Come on. And don't shoot me yet.
Hey, Austin, I was just looking at it. Can I see?
Oh, you
Look at it. See these packets right here? Those ones right there? You take them and then you dump them in the slime blaster and then you just add water, it looks like.
I don't know. Like, I don't know. It got 100.
You don't know? Okay, let's try it out.
It's so cool.
Is it?
Yeah.
I know, I can't wait to open it. Go ahead, tear it open. Let's try it out.
Now?
Yeah, you want to? Or we can do it tomorrow if you want.
No.
All right, let's try it out now.
Right now.
Oh, I guess I'm going to have to do it, huh?
Okay.
Or are you pretty good at opening things?
I'm pretty good, like, opening this.
Wow, look at you go.
I have to put this right here. Let's tear it open. Tear it open.
Ooh, don't lose the slime packets. Okay, Austin, you ready to fill it up and see what it's like?
Yeah.
Oh, man. I'm a little nervous.
Why are your name is nervous?
That there's going to be slime everywhere. Okay, ready? Okay, there's like the powdery stuff. We're putting that in now.
Then, will we run out of that?
So you get 4 packets, and then you put the powder in there, and then you take a water. You ready, Austin? I'm going to pour water in. Then it says, close it and shake it up, okay?
Ah, did you put baby suit on my baby suit?
That's okay. You've been wet all day.
Ah.
Oh, this is going to be so gross. Slime. You better not spray me with slime. Are you going to spray me with slime? Is that your plan?
Yep.
Okay.
I need some help.
Okay, let's close it up and give it some good shakes and make some slime. Oh, this is going to be so gross. I can't wait to try this.
Better not be around here. Oh.
Okay, there's Mom regulating. She's going to get the first sliming. Just kidding.
No,
Mom doesn't want to be slimed. Oh, man. Austin, look at that. You see it? Hold on, wait. Let me do it for camera because it's not focusing. Oh, it's turned into like a green oozy stuff in there.
Can I try it?
Wait, are you ready to test the slime thing out?
Yeah.
Let me see if it's like fully slimed yet. Let me see for a second. Oh man, it's all green. Look at that.
Can I make the pool green?
No, never in the pool, but get my arm first. Let's try it out. Wait, right, ready? Oh, it is slime.
No!
Ew. Oh my gosh, it really does shoot slime.
Hey.
Can I get you with it, Austin? Ew. Oh my god, all over my shirt?
Yeah.
Oh, it shoots slime so good. Ew, gross. Hey, Nerf man. Ew. Oh my god, it's like, it just doesn't even move off you. It's just pure slime. Get him! Don't get me, no! Hey! Hey!
No!
Not the pool. Oh. Ew. Ah, ew. Ew, it leaves like a goo on you. Get him, Austin! Get him, he fell!
No, not.
Slime his belly! Ew!
Ew, you're gonna turn into green monster.
Austin, don't.
Gordon, go ahead, slime my face.
Your hat. Your hat.
Not my hat, my face. Alright guys, what does the slime feel like on your body?
Weird.
It's gooey and so icky, isn't it?
I like it a little bit.
It was sunscreen.
It's like sunscreen? I could see that. Alright, run. Yeah, this thing actually shoots pretty far. Look at, I'm still getting you. You're covered in slime like an alien.
I got you.
Oh, really? You want to be covered in slime like an alien?
No.
Bet you I can get you from here. Oh, gross. Uh-oh. There's only one person that's not an alien yet. Who's gonna get it?
Not in here.
Okay. Then you're gonna get it.
You're gonna get it. I'm gonna slime you. Slime me. No. No.
I can't believe. Watch. Let me get a close up on your skin. It's still gooey.
Ugh.
I'm surprised it shoots so good. Oh.
Hey, Daddy. Oh.
Ew. That's it. Oh, are you sad? You want to be slimed?
No.
You want to be slimed?
And your eye. In my eye.
I got slime in your eye? You want me to rinse it out with more slime? Okay, let's go hose off. This was fun though. What'd you think? Do you like this stuff?
No.
Oh, you're not done?
Slimed.
Ew!
But guess what? Give me a hug.
Ew, get out of here, you slimy little slime ball.
Yeah. Yeah. So slimy.
You're so slimy?
Yeah.
Ew.
Are you a green monster? Are you the gator?
I don't know if he's like a marching person or the Hulk.
Are you the alien? Out of here. No.
Alright guys, official review of the Gus slime gun. What do you think, Austin? Thumbs up or thumbs down? Look at you slime yourself. Hey, thumbs up or thumbs down? Hayden? Alright, gets my approval too. Pretty cool thing. Hey guys, don't forget to like our video, subscribe, and we will see you in the next one. Later!